good one. Arisi bokuchim desu ka, Tadongde?
Yeah, hi, is this the Frito Bandito?
No, I'm from the Geek Squad.
Oh, Geek Squad.
Yes, do you need repair?
Yes, repair. Yeah.
Okay, how can I help you today?
My microwave, it make a very loud sound when I turn it on.
Okay. Can I get the telephone number under the account?
Hello?
Yeah, do you have your good contact number?
My good contact, yes.
Go ahead.
Are you ready?
Yep.
559 621 69 420.
Too many numbers.
No, there's no zero at the end. I'm sorry. 42.
42.
Yes.
Okay.
Porque eres puta.
Hold on, okay?
Hey, sir.
Yes.
I'm trying to turn it on. Can you hear it making the sound?
Let me hear.
Can you hear it?
And that's the microwave?
Yes. Yes, sir. Can you hear it?
Okay, that's a pretty loud one. Is it coming from the fan on the bottom?
I don't know. I see electricity.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes, hold on.
There's electricity coming out.
Okay. Don't turn it on anymore.
Hello?
Yes, don't turn it on anymore.
1 second, let me put you on hold.
All of our representatives are currently busy. Please stay on the line, and your call will be answered by the next available representative. The estimated hold time is currently less than 96 minutes. You are currently caller number 32, waiting to speak with a representative. Thank you for your patience.
Hello?
Yes?
I am back. Sorry, I had to fix it. The microwave had electricity coming out of it.
Unplug it.
Unplug it. Why?
Disconnect it. Yeah, so it doesn't have electricity coming out.
It still has electricity coming out. Can you hear it?
Yeah. Unplug it.
What should I do?
Just remove it from the power outlet.
It won't come out.
Remove it from the power outlet.
Oh no, not again.
Turn off. Hello?
Sorry, my microwave is making some strange noises.
So, do you have warranty for this microwave?
Oh no, hang on, it's not making good sound. Hello?
Yes?
It's really loud.
Oh, disconnected from the power outlet. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, disconnected from the power outlet.
Why?
So it stopped that sound.
I don't know how to stop the sound.
Yeah, unplug it. Turn off your circuit breaker.
Oh, no, no, no.
Okay, can I get your first name? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
What's your first name? Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, what's your first name?
My first name is Jose.
Jose, what's your last name, Jose?
Frito Bandito.
Frito Bandito?
Yes.
Okay, what's your address?
Mexico.
Oh, 69 in Mexico. Okay.
Si.
You called us in the United States. Muy poquito.
Eres puta, pendejo.
Okay, good night.
Good night.